Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm so excited for today's video, you guys. We have a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of June. And June is my birthday month, so I'm really hoping that BoxyCharm gave us some good stuff, alright? And if you're new to BoxyCharm, they are a monthly subscription beauty service. You get 4 to 5 full-size items every single month. The box is $21 for the subscription, and you get like over $100 worth of goodies. And these are for some big name brands, as well as some indie brands that you may not have heard of. So I'm going to put a link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and sign up for BoxyCharm to see what goodies you get every single month. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notifications bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload and you don't miss videos from me. So if you're new to my unboxings, I don't look inside these unboxings, like I don't look in the box at all before you guys. So we both get to see what's inside for the first time. So if this is a spoiler for you, if you haven't received your BoxyCharm, I'm so sorry. You can continue watching the video though, so you know what you're getting. Alright, so let's dive right into this month's BoxyCharm. So the first thing we have up, I'm opening it now. They do have themes every single month, and this month's theme, I like how they're sending out these like big cards now and not the little ones. Yes, BoxyCharm thought about me. This month's theme is Caribbean Queen. Yay! I'm excited. Y'all, this is... just from looking at the card, because they give you a rundown of the products, listen to me. Listen to me. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This box is over $100 this month. The value of... The first thing we have in our box this month is the, now my Hispanic girls, let me know if I'm saying it right. This is the Sol de Janeiro. Am I saying it right? Let me know down in the comment section if I pronounced it right, okay? Just give me a little thumbs up or a little, you know, like peace sign or something to tell me that I pronounced it right. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I've heard so much about this. It's basically a fast absorbing body cream. I'm going to open this because I'm definitely... You guys, I love this. If you don't know right now, or if you haven't watched a couple of my older videos, I don't use lotions anymore, like the drugstore or anything like that right now. I'm using body creams. I love body butters and things like that. This is a body cream. I'm definitely going to be using this. This smells amazing, y'all. Wow. It smells awesome. Like I want to open it again and sniff it. Oh, that's good. That's real good. So I'm definitely going to be using this summer. This is nice. This is a nice size for $10. I love this one. I think they have like different sizes in this, so I'm really liking that they gave us a chance to try it out. So the next thing I'm going to pull out of here, oh, they got some brushes. I'm excited. These are from Luxie. BoxyCharm has given us some Luxie brushes before, so I'm super excited. I think this is the first time that we got something from the Brazilian Bum Bum cream from Sol de Janeiro, so excited about that one. I'm super excited about these brushes. Now this is a 3-piece flawless collection brush set. We've got a precision foundation brush, we've got a tapered highlight brush, and we also have a dual fiber powder brush. And this little package, or this trio, retails for $42. $42, y'all. The box is $21 a month. I tell you this every single month. If you haven't signed up, the link is in the description box. Sign up. You like, what are you losing? You just got like $40 worth of brushes for $20. Come on. Let's save some money here. I'm trying to save y'all some coin so y'all can get some new stuff every single month, and BoxyCharm is going to do that for you. So this one right here, this is the dual fiber brush. These are so soft. Like I said, they've given us Luxie brushes before, but I don't think we've ever gotten like this super huge size. Like it'll always be like the eye brushes. So I think this is the first time that we've gotten some face brushes from Luxie, and I'm excited to try these. These feel really, really good, and I cannot wait to put these on my face. Like, yes, we need to do that. Next thing on our list we have is a liquid lipstick from Ofra, and BoxyCharm has given us something from Ofra before, and this one, let's see, this one, the name of this is called Verona, and it looks like it's more of a nude shade. The one I got from them before was like a pinky shade. Okay, this will work. It's like a pinky nude. It's right here, if you can see that. Yeah, it's like a pinky nude. So that's definitely something that I can work with for the summer months. You don't always have to wear, like, you know, and I'm actually wearing the one from the past BoxyCharm box from Ofra right now. So yeah, I just want to really put this on and see what it could look like. There's a nude, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna work. That's a pretty color. And it's comfortable too. That's really nice. That's super nice. And it went really good on top of that other Ofra lipstick. But yeah, the name of this one is Verona. So I really like that one. That retails for $21. The price of the box. The price of the whole box is this liquid lipstick right here. Keep playing. Keep playing. So next up we have a, what is this? A waterproof eyeliner pencil. And this is from the brand Jonteblue. Jonteblue, that's the name of this one right here, and I got the color dark brown. It's an eyeliner pencil. It's a nice pencil. You got to sharpen it. It's not a retractable one. Oh, that's a really nice dark brown. Almost looks black, so that's super deep. So I can definitely put that in my waterline and not look as harsh. That's usually what I do with dark brown liners, or I just use them as eyebrow pencils. What's the difference? You just want some color, right? So yeah, that one is really nice. It's actually super duper creamy, so I'm happy about that. And this month we got some lashes. You guys know I'm a lash queen. Like, that's me. That's my thing. I'm wearing lashes right now. These ones I'm wearing are from Coco Lashes. They're my Alamar lashes, one of my favorites. So this one is from Battington, and this is their Munroe silk lashes, and these retail for $28. Yep. These are 3D multi-layer lashes. I hope you guys can see them. The light's probably gonna blind you, so I'm definitely gonna do a close-up for you on these ones. But yeah, I love the packaging. The packaging is really, really sleek, really nice. If it says, if all else fails, bat your lashes. Yes, I'm going to do that. That's my thing. I've been told many times in my videos that I blink too much, and that's something I can't control. So I like to blink. It's my thing, and I need the lashes to do it. So I'm really excited. I think this is the first time we've gotten some lashes too. If it's not the first time and you are a BoxyCharm OG, let me know down in the comment section. But these feel really nice. I can't wait to rock these. I'm probably gonna wear them to church or to work, but I'm really excited. This is a nice brand. And the last thing I'm going to be pulling out of the box is this palette right here from Alamar Cosmetics. It's a brand I've never heard about. This is their Reina Del Caribe. Yeah, Reina Del Caribe. This retails for $28, and it's got some really nice colors in here. Some very islandy inspired colors. I guess some Caribbean inspired colors going on. That's nice. Those are pretty. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and swatch just a couple of the colors so we can get an idea of what these look like. So I'm gonna do here. Oh, that's pretty. Here. Wow, that's really bright. One more for you guys. Look at that blue, guys. Wow. So I'm excited to play with this. It's nice. I like the balance of shimmer and mattes they've got going on. So we've got 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. Definitely a way to make a couple of looks out of this palette. So yeah, this is nice. And it only retails, I think I said, it only retails for $28. So that's pretty cool. And this is volume 1. So maybe in the next box or so, we'll get volume 2. So awesome, Alamar Cosmetics. Alright, you guys. So we definitely got lucky this month. BoxyCharm gave us 6 products this month for June. So like I said, I'm excited. They did that. It's my birthday month. They definitely were thinking about me and added an extra item. So you see, it's really good to be signed up with BoxyCharm because you get little gifts like that, little things like that. So I'm excited. They're really good about that, all right? So this month's box was definitely a thumbs up from me. Caribbean Queen is the theme, and I am definitely Caribbean Queen. So I'm excited. I'm really happy with my box this month. Let me know what you got in yours because sometimes these things can vary. We normally all get the same thing, but sometimes like we'll get a different color lipstick or we'll get a different color liner. So let me know if you got a different color from me in the comment section. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, guys.